enjoy yourself. Love you. Bye.
What's up, everybody? I am UrbanMasque, and that was some augmented reality tattooing. The first one is an audio file played back via the Skin Motion app, and the second one was found in a Facebook Oculus group by a member there, who actually done by a member there using a Unity plugin called Vuforia, which is an augmented reality plugin. So as you can see, a lot of cool things happening in the augmented reality space. I've been struggling to keep up with it. That's why these videos have been taking so long. But yeah, the first one is from Skin Motion. Skin Motion is a company that does augmented reality tattooing. You get a sound wave of whatever you want, and then inside their app, it plays it back for you on display, pulling it out. The second one, like I mentioned, is from an app called Vuforia, where you take an image and you assign it a function, right? Like when you see this image, pull out this art, painting, sculpt, or whatever, and assign it to this image. He chose to put it on his tattoo. You could have put it on the floor. You could put it on your face for all you wanted to do. This is pretty exciting to me, which is why it feels bad when I see announcements around augmented reality like Magic Leap. Unfortunately, to me, it feels like the best augmented reality experience for the long haul is going to be on your phone, you know, with Pokemon Go, with Skin Motion, and all these other augmented reality in-store apps. Because when you see a major company like Microsoft and Magic Leap drop the ball in such a way with the wonky design, with a terrible UI, with like, it wasn't even a really good demo, the excitement kind of dies for having some compatible sort of Oculus AR device in the market. Like I said, I still think the best bet is going to be on your phone for a long time, but there are a lot of tools for you to create out there with those Unity plugins, with WebXR, with a whole bunch of things. So start Googling and start joining those Facebook groups. One of the things that I've started to do was go into a lot of VR social groups, and I've been spending a lot more time in alt space and in big screen. That's because I want to not have such a siloed experience inside VR. And this is on the announcement of, you know, Oculus Home opening up to joint spaces. So if you haven't heard, Oculus Rift Core 2.0 allows you to create a home environment, which is really cool. I'll try to get you some screenshots of my home for the next one, but you can import sculpts from there. You can invite people in to visit your home. You can go visit other people's home, like stuff, play with the toys and the gadgets that they have lying around. You can pull in your desktop from there. So if you want to just sit in there and, you know, watch it on your screen, have like a big screen experience, you could do that. And it's been really interesting exploring what people are doing with the space and with the tech. I've been sculpting more. As you can see, I've made a bender from scratch. I've pulled it in. I want to start working on some sort of animation so that I can have a free-form model like I have here. I'm still working on that format. I know it sounds like I'm blowing smoke, but I'm still working on it in the spare time I have. When I get home, I just want to vegetate and read stuff and get lost down like a crypto hole or something. But I am working on it in my spare time. But I just wanted to update you guys on a lot of things that I'm doing, and, you know, I wanted to keep these videos going. So if you have something you want to see, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to focus that on the next video. Also, I will leave links to my Sketchfab page so you can look at some of the models I'm making, to my Oculus Medium page so you can see some of the models that I'm building. And also, if you wanted to visit my Facebook space, just friend me. Just friend me. Odds are you're viewing this on Facebook, add me as a friend, and then go into my Facebook home. You'll be able to see some of the sculpts that I've made because I've imported them into my home. The only downside is they take a little while to load. And I'm being pinged from outside this, so that means I have to go. But thanks for watching. Please remember, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. But leave a comment down below and let me know, you know, what I should do with these videos next. Bye.